Hello. In this video, I'm going to talk about SkyDrive and show you it in action. SkyDrive is Microsoft's online file storage and desktop and mobile device folder and file synchronization service. You need a Microsoft account in order to get your free 7 gigabytes of online storage. And you can use either a Microsoft domain email address, Hotmail, MSN, live.com or outlook.com, or you could use your own. If you use your own, whether it's Yahoo, AOL, Gmail, or your personal or corporate domain, you won't be able to use the email features online. But that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about SkyDrive, which is not email. I've installed the desktop application version of SkyDrive on this Windows 8 computer. And if you look in the notification area here, sometimes this is called the system tray of the taskbar, you'll see that SkyDrive is running. This little double cloud icon is it, and it's, if I bring this back over here again, you'll see it's downloading some changes that I made recently. If I right-click on it, I can get a context menu, which lets me open up my SkyDrive folder on the desktop here. I could go to the online version at skydrive.com. I can manage storage. If I would need more storage, I can buy it. Microsoft storage plans are very reasonable, especially as compared to Apple's iCloud, which is far more expensive, or Dropbox, and a little bit less expensive than Google Drive. I can also go to settings here. And when we go to settings, what you see is that you have control to set whether SkyDrive starts automatically when you load Windows. And in addition, you have the ability to choose which folders actually go into SkyDrive. You can get granular if you want to go over there and pick specific folders. I'm not going to make any changes here. Let me show you SkyDrive on the desktop here. So I'm going to open my SkyDrive folder, and there it is. And you can see I have a shortcut to it over here in my favorites list right there. And when you install SkyDrive, it'll automatically install that SkyDrive shortcut. And you can see I have several folders and one document at the root level in this folder. Because this is Windows 8, I think I should show you the desktop, the full screen, start screen version of SkyDrive. I actually have 3 versions of SkyDrive apps installed on this computer. I have SkyDrive, the desktop app, that's this icon here. I have SkyDrive, the Windows 8 full screen modern UI app, that's here. If I click on it, you'll see we get something that's similar, lays out differently, but it shows me all of my folders and my one document. If I double clicked on this document, by the way, it's going to open up on the computer in Word. I have Office 2013 Professional Plus installed on this machine. As you can see, this is the latest version of Word. And what we're looking at here is my sample document, and it opened up automatically. Let's close this. Let's come back to this, and let's close this app. And we're back at the start screen. I have one other thing here called SkyDrive Pro 2013. If you have Office Professional Plus 2013 installed, you can install this additional application, which lets you segregate files for your business or organization from your personal files when you load them online. I'm not going to talk anymore about SkyDrive Pro. Let's go back to the desktop one. Let's go to the online version, and I'm going to click here, go to skydrive.com. Let me close my extra apps here, of rather tabs. And what you can see here is this is the same thing that you saw before. It lays out a little bit differently. All right. Here's that document 1. All right. If I want to, I can click on it, and I will get a display version of it online. If I want to edit this document online, I can. Microsoft provides two ways to edit one of these online files. You can edit it in Word, which would download it to whatever computer you're on. So if you're not at your own computer, you're at a relative's or somewhere else in your, your business or travels, you could edit it on the local machine and then just save it right back to SkyDrive. Alternatively, you could edit it in the cloud because Microsoft has Office web apps built into the SkyDrive Microsoft account. And we're going to do that here. These are reduced feature sets of the most modern version of Office apps. And you can see this is similar to what I showed you a moment ago, but it's reduced. We don't have everything here. But let's make a change here. I don't like Calibri here for the opening. Let's go to Book Antique. And let's change the color here to, oh, how about a green? And maybe I should do something else. Can I change the background here? I think I can. How about yellow? All right. So you can see I've made several changes here. I'm going to save it. I'm going to now exit this file. And I'm going to do one other thing. This is all online. I'm going to take document 1 and I'm going to move it to workspace 1. So now if I go to workspace 1, what you see are two documents, Word documents, document 1, the one I just moved, and this other one, and then a PDF file here. Let's minimize this. Now you notice here on the desktop version, there used to be document1.docx. It's gone, but if I click in here, I'll find it. And if I open it up here, you'll see the changes that I made online have been synchronized to the local version of this file automatically. So if I made a change here, it would also, and I saved it, it will also go back up online, and it'll show up on any other device that I have my version of SkyDrive connected to, whether it's an iPad or an Android tablet or a Windows phone. Or a Mac. There is a version of SkyDrive that you can load on a Mac, so it shows up in Finder. And it's a pretty good synchronization service, and I think you should consider taking a look at it.